welcome to our fall and winter cooking series, Cooks with Books. Today we're going to start out with a September recipe perfect for fall, apple crisp, and you'll see how quick and easy it can be. The ingredients we need to make apple crisp are 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of flour, a half cup of brown sugar, and a half cup of melted butter. Step 1 is to preheat the oven to 350.
The next step is to add 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of oats, a half a cup of brown sugar, and a half a cup of butter, which is equal to 1 stick, melted in the microwave, and then mix it all together. After you mix everything together, take the mixture and press half of it into a greased cooking pan.
After your crumble base is in the bottom of the greased pan and your 4 cups of apples are cut up into small pieces, we are going to mix a half cup of sugar on the apples and a teaspoon of cinnamon. There we go. And then we'll stir that all up. It really smells like fall. We're going to spread the apple sugar cinnamon mixture over the crust in the bottom of your pan. Spread it around, make sure it's nice and even. And then we're going to put the rest of the crumble on top of the apples. Make sure you spread that around a little bit too. Then, make sure a grown-up helps you with this part. You're going to be putting your apple crisp into a hot oven.
While you're waiting for your apple crisp to cook, listen to this food joke. What's worse than finding a worm in your apple? Finding half a worm in your apple. You can check out many of our joke books in the 800 section of our library downstairs.
The timer has gone off, our 40 minutes is up, and we're going to take our apple crisp out of the oven and see how it looks. If you think it's not done quite enough, you can always put it in for another few minutes. But again, make sure a grown-up helps you with this because this is very hot.
Here is a selection of apple books that we have here in the children's room. The Apple Pie That Papa Baked by Lauren Thompson. Apples, Apples, Apples by Nancy Elizabeth Wallace. Apple Pie ABC by Allison Murray. And How to Make an Apple Pie and See the World by Marjorie Priceman. And you can find all these books and more in the children's room.
That's all for today. Come back next month and see us again at Cooks with Books.